Okay, so there are two competition. One is guesses the word. You have to guess the word. Basically, you have 10 second, and within 10 second, you have to find that word. That can be city, that can be animal, that can be, there is a hint also. By using that hint, you can find. And basically, later are, not in arrangement manner. Basically, you have to arrange. And second competition is basically some letter are given. You have to form a meaningful word. Means suppose there are six letters given as like A, B, C, D, E, and you have to form a word. And there is also a question. So let's start, and you have to tell your answer by speaking. So I can write your point, and whoever will be winner, also he or she will get rewards, and that reward can be as as maybe 50 rupee, 100 rupees, depend who is winner also. Okay, because they are
Okay,
more.
I have a doubt. Like whenever the answer comes to our mind, we have to. You will raise any ticket, or you will say you tell, or
No, no, you
because
can.
maybe because this is a competition. Two of the persons can get this answer at the same time.
First come first basis
Okay, first comes first. All
yes,
right.
whoever speak first,
So do
that will be winner. Yes, yes.
okay.
So I think we can start now. So, and you have 10 second only, so please try to find answer within 10 second. So this is first. Just let me. Yes, your timer is start.
Lucknow.
Lucknow, Lucknow,
Lucknow, yeah.
Okay, okay, Devi Bhai.
UP,
Devi,
Uttar Pradesh.
yes, Devi Bhai. So now second.
Yes.
Okay, name of a city and
Lucknow.
elephant.
Yes,
Help net.
Uh-huh.
yes, yes. Correct answer.
It's Neha who cracked.
Yes, yes, Miss
Elephant.
Mrs. Yes, yes.
Elephant.
Okay. Third.
Grapes.
Sharks.
Okay, Mrs. Neha again.
Grapes. Grapes. Ice snail.
Ah,
Innis.
ice. No.
You have time, extra time. Just try to guess it. This is a sport. Not very much famous in India, but in other country.
Cycling.
Yes,
Cycling.
yes, yes. Yes. Okay, now next one is
Cycling.
you are
Cycling.
late. You are late,
Veer
Vikas.
Zara.
Okay.
Isn't it Veer Zara?
Yes, yes, Biljara.
Ma'am, you won the competition, no doubt.
Govinda.
Means nobody is in competition. Only Mrs. Neha.
Govind.
Shrubs.
Just try Manisha, Devi Bhai, please. Extra time also.
Shrub. Oh, brush. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Spain.
Nepal.
Lane.
Nepal.
Lipan.
Nepal.
Nepal.
Lipan.
Yes, come on, guys. Okay.
Nepal.
Next one is
Tony.
Television. Television.
the question are so much easy. Only Mrs. Neha is speaking, and nobody else. Okay.
Venus.
I think I should postpone this competition because no doubt there is only one winner. Okay.
Hyder. Hyder.
Radish. Radish. Radish.
Because why? Firstly, read the question, then answer. You are just trying to
Yeah,
read
it's a
the.
strategy. First, read the
Uh,
question and then read the
Okay.
letters.
Okay, sir.
Newton.
Neha ma'am, it seems you knew the answers.
Profession
Dentist.
dentist. Yeah.
I think there is no two answer. One is Devi Bhai.
Yes, bye.
Okay, okay.
Dentist.
Dentist.
LinkedIn.
LinkedIn.
I
LinkedIn.
think
Link.
Siraj is who is
Yeah. This time someone else has, given.
Manisha something actually.
Maybe Manisha or Kavita.
Okay, so let's put 1 marks in front of Kavita and Manisha also because we have no clear answer.
Sabji.
Okay, this one is last question.
Farmer.
Yes,
Farmers.
Devi
Yeah.
Bhai.
Devi Bhai.
Okay, so we finished the first round and score is Manisha 1, Devi Bhai 3, Kavita 1, Vikas Bhai 0, and Mrs. Neha 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
All.
10, 11.
Mrs. Neha.
11. The first round winner is Mrs. Neha. Now just is going to start second round. Okay. In this you have to basically make a word and also read out question. There is a hint also and you have to find answer according to that. So just first is that you have to make a three-letter word. Three-letter word.
X. AXEX.
Xerox.
Okay. Another word. X. Also, we are looking for another answer.
Age.
Yes. Miss
Exactly. H.
H. This is Neha 1 and Kavita 1.
G.
Yes. Because
G. G. ZEA.
Z E A. What is meaning of G?
I don't know, sir.
So make some meaningful word. Okay. So
Okay, okay,
X,
okay.
X and age is correct. Okay. Now you have to make a four-letter word.
Name.
Manage. Manage.
Name.
Name. Name. Okay. Second.
Game.
Yes. Game. Who is Kavita? Yes. Or any other?
Age.
Age is
Age,
three.
sir.
Age is
Man.
three-letter word. Three-letter word.
Okay.
Sorry,
Maze.
Hen. Hen. Hen.
It's a four-letter word.
Four-letter word.
Hen. Oh, four-letter word.
Yes. So
It could be maze. MAZE. Maze.
X-Men.
MAJD.
Amaze. AMZD.
No, that is
That would
five.
be five-letter word.
Five. You were talking about four-letter. Okay,
AZD.
Mrs. Ne, what is
X
meaning of
age, sir.
what is meaning of maze?
Maze means which puzzle.
Puzzles. Maze. MAJD.
Yeah,
It
maze.
could be amazed also, no?
Yeah, that is a five-letter word, ma'am.
Here
And
you
we
are
are looking
talking
for
about
four-letter word
four-letter word.
timing.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
yeah. Got it.
okay.
Got it.
So we have game and one is name.
Name, game, and maze.
Yes. Okay. Now we have to make you have to make five-letter word. Five-letter.
So tomato?
Where is O?
Yeah, sir.
Five-letter word.
Tom and
There is no T, neither O. Then how you are going to make tomato and something like that? Tom hand. Just think. 5 letter. You make a 5 letter word.
Eden. Sir,
Dynamo.
Eden.
Yes.
Dynamo.
Dynamo.
Hayden. It could be Hayden.
Yeah.
Just think. Just think. Just think. Okay. I think I am also confused.
It's manned. Manned could
Sorry.
also.
I think there is no.
Mande.
Actually, I think there is.
Today.
No,
I got the
Eden,
word
sir,
today.
Eden. EADEN.
Yes. There is O. Okay. 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 Actually, I have not seen this. TOM. Okay. So, any answer?
Yeah, it's manned. Mande. That is a family languages. Manned.
And okay. And who has tell today? I think someone has just mentioned today. Today is also correct answer.
Yeah.
Yes, today I told you.
I'm not able to see O.
Today I told you.
Okay. Who? Pooja.
Okay.
No, Manisha, I told you
Manish.
today.
Okay. Okay. Manisha. Okay. Okay. Now next
No.
6 letter word.
6 letter.
Geology.
You are great, brother.
Ali
You
is
are
not
great.
there.
You are great.
Geology, sir. Yes.
Monday. Monday. It's Monday. Monday.
Yes.
Yes, Monday is correct.
Because by where is L? I think in geology there should be L.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, mandatory.
Sir,
MANDATORY.
honey. Sir, HONEY, honey.
Honey is
That is 5 letter word.
5 letter word. You have to make 6 letter word.
Okay. Oh, got it. Okay.
Okay. Now next one is 4 letter word. Again 4 letter word.
Not.
Hand.
Not.
Hand.
GAN.
Name.
GAN. Sir, GAN.
Note, Mrs. Verma and Manisha, hand and
Gate.
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 Yes. Gate.
Name.
Aim.
GAN.
Aim.
I think it's
Print.
already done. Like game, name. That was the first.
Again, it may be.
Yes, game. That is also correct.
Name, game, not.
Yes.
Sir, GAN.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
At all.
You have to tell 2 3 letter word.
Head.
Hen.
DAY, day.
Edge.
And HAT, hat.
Day Y.
G
Day. And second
Tag. Man.
HAT,
Tag.
hat.
one.
Man.
Tag.
Man.
Man. Yes.
Man.
Okay. Okay. 5 letter word.
Horse.
Speak again.
Horse. HORSE, horse.
HORS.
Sir, please,
Horse.
Yes.
please,
Teach.
maybe. Please, sir.
The spelling.
Morse,
Please.
MORSE.
Morse.
MORSE. Yes.
What is meaning of Morse? Morse.
So meaning is there actually. I don't remember now. Like in, but Morse is 1 second. I'll tell you.
Morse. Morse is correct. And
It is a coding method used in telecommunication to encode text character.
okay, Morse and other, because there are 2 or 3 hidden also. That's why. Just think.
Style.
S T Y. Where is L?
Horse.
L. Yes,
Oh,
horse.
okay.
L
Horse is already.
L missing.
Stay. No, no, sir.
Stay is four-letter word.
Sir, system. No, it
System.
is 6 letters.
Six
Six
Sorry,
letters.
letter.
sorry. Sister, sorry.
Sport.
Sport. Yes, sport.
Sir, Tommy. Tommy.
Yes.
Tommy 4-letter word.
TOMMY.
No,
5 letters word,
5 letters.
sir.
Yes.
Okay, so we have three answer: horse, sport, and morse. Okay. Now, six-letter word letter can be used twice.
Chemistry.
Where is S and where is Y? And this is easy one. If you see the hint, there is also a hint mentioned. Six-letter word letter can be used twice and something else also written.
Xerox. Xerox. Sir, Xerox.
Myself already I've said you are great. There is no competition with you. Where
Xerox,
is
no, sir.
six-letter
Okay.
word? Xerox has only five letters. Z-E-R-A-X.
Okay.
Hockey. Hockey.
H-O-C. H. Where is Y? I think actually Y is missing.
Okay. Hockey. Y is not there. Rocket.
Cricket.
Yes,
Rocket.
cricket. Cricket. Here,
Okay.
just look at the hint. Here also
Sport. Okay,
mentioned
we got
Sport.
it.
sports. Already
And
mentioned
rocket is also there.
Rocket. Rocket is but not sports. That's why. Here is hint. You can see.
Okay, sport. Okay, you ask for sport.
Okay, I
Oh,
didn't see the hints actually.
okay. I think this is last one. Five-letter word. That is verb.
Xerox. Sir, Xerox again.
Yeah. Where is
Go missing.
Sir, chemistry.
Most
Market.
M-E-S-K 4
Sir,
letters.
market. Market.
because just see the question. You have to tell five-letter word, and that letter is basically verb.
Give me a
Oh,
verb.
oh, okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. So just try to find out any verb here. And this is last one. So winner is Mrs. Neha. There is no doubt. And no
Makes. He
next
Sir,
makes.
prize. Sir, prize.
winner is only Mrs. Neha
It
is
should be a
winner.
verb. Verb means whenever we do something.
Yes.
Makes.
Yes.
Winner.
Yeah.
I think makes that is you are telling about when you use with singular then
Okay.
that is only word make, that is not makes. Make is verb. Just think, this is easy one. And this is easy one, this is last one.
Marks. MARKS. Marks.
M-A,
MARKS. Mark. Plural.
no, no, actually, you have to tell about Bob. That is Bob.
Mark.
No.
Yeah,
Speak.
mark.
Speak.
Yes, Devi bhai, that is speak.
Yeah.
That is correct. Finally, Devi bhai has given an answer. That is speak. That is Bob. Okay, I think there is already one question. Okay, so four letter
Four-letter
word.
word.
Four letter word.
Deep.
Deep. Yes, that is good.
Sir, deep.
Base.
And second one, Kavita.
Sir, deep.
Base. Base.
Base. I think there is no any S.
Sorry.
Deep.
Fade. It could be fade.
Fade. Fade is also possible. F-A-D-E-S. Another one. Manisha.
Yes, I'm trying.
There's also a bead. B-E-A-D, bead.
What is the meaning of bead? B-E-A-D?
Bead means, what do we see? Small. जो माला में डालते हैं, beads, मोती.
Mostly beads. Bead.
B-E-A-D, bead.
Okay, just moving forward. This is face. I think no one has.
Oh,
Okay, face.
fade.
Okay.
Okay, so this one is last question. So Amit bhai, you have joined very late. That's why because no, we are end up. And
Yeah,
so
sorry for that.
clear winner is Mrs. Neha. I think there is no doubt to anyone because as we know, she has scored near about 12 in first section and near about 7 in second section. So there is no comparison between two buddies. So okay, so now we are here, and tomorrow there will be a session which is taken by Mrs. Neha about how to speak English, something like that. So in morning we are going to circulate. Now we have sometimes if you want to discuss something, so you can discuss now. Okay, we have Suvangi also, Neha also, Kapta ma'am also. So
Okay, you can discuss the usage of this kind of activities, extracurricular activities.
There is only two aim. One is to generate some enthusiasm all the among people. Also, you can run your mind to find it a word because we daily see some cross puzzle in newspaper. We try to solve, and some people solve one or two questions. They just get depressed. Ki, yes, this is very tough. But we are doing practice, so at least we are running our mind. We are forcing our mind to do something because here you can take example. Many people have just tried to find the correct answer, and I have mentioned only one answer, but here we can find three to four answer. Means actually just we are working with our mind, how our mind is capable, how our mind is grasping, how fast our mind can do work. So here you can this because this type of activity only to force on your mind. Yes, you can think in some manner also, in such manner also. So I think this is only benefit. Yes, we can force our mind to find something because I have written only one answer, but in one question we have got five answers. So I think only I have conducted only for this and also to generate some interest among all the group members because from Monday to Friday we are only speaking, and this is also today is also Saturday, so try to generate a common platform so we can share our thought to each other. So I think so, Mrs. Naya, you can tell what is benefit of this because I think you are doing.
Exactly. You said truly. These kind of activities really, increase our thinking power as well as logical skills as well as cognitive skills. Like we can start think logically, right? Logical. So basically, these kind of activities are really very trendy while developing the mind of young newborns, not newborns, young ones, whenever they are in preschool. If you have observed these kind of activities, finding the word, coding, decoding, all such kind of activities, they are aware them in the preschool, right? Whenever they are at the stage of their development of mind, right? So when we were kids, like at that time, there were no preschools, nothing were there. We were just started our schooling from by writing 1 2 3 and 4. But now the things has changed. They focus on finding the or focus on developing the logical thinking, right? But at our time the things were different. They focus on increasing the memorizing part, like how can you retain the things, how can you uh, how much you can learn the things, right? The focus was different, learning of things, but now the focus is on understanding of things, increasing the logical skills. Yeah. Moreover, this kind of things, if you can see, whenever we sit in government exams, such kind of coding, decoding, these kind of reasoning questions, we can say, they ask us.
Yes,
Like
yes.
how? Because, maybe anyone observe or not. Like when you were asking the question, there was a pressure on mind. No, what can be? Yeah, what could be a 4 letter word, 5 letter word? Yeah. So moreover, there was a pressure on mind, like I don't know only this kind of question. So how we handle the pressure at that, but because you have given us timer, right? Timer is there, like one eye of us were on the timing and one eye was on were on the question. So there was a balance of a coordination between eye and the mind. So it's amazing activities if we have this kind of activities once in a week.
Okay, so maybe next week we can increase the number of questions so many people got more chance
Actually,
to.
I want to tell you that why I'm telling this, why I have such kind of information, because my career is this only this. Like I was teaching aptitude, like which have reasoning.
Yes,
I
yes, yes.
teach student competitive competitions, right? That's why I have that much knowledge, like how we. Yeah, that's it.
No, as
Yeah,
you
yeah,
mentioned,
definitely.
how
Yeah, uh, definitely Pradeep Bhai. What and Pradeep Bhai have say at the Neha. So Sneha, sorry. So I think the aptitude test and many competitive exam, I'm also facing this type of questions and like SSC and you can say CGL, very tough of exam. Even the some question in the net also. So it's a you can say it's a part of also the Padivai encouraging the activity just like that. So it can helpful and also it's a way of entertaining or interesting to the group of people. Uh, by Padivai and
this is
other guy
only for,
also.
no, Amit bhai, this is only for chilling purpose. So at least at platform we can chill and we can discuss to
Yes,
each
yes,
other,
yes,
because Monday to Friday we are trying to force our mind, try to speak on this. So there should be some
yes, yes,
time for fun and entertainment. So this is only for that, yes. And this is
yes, yes.
as Mrs. Neha mentioned, because no, if you are facing some government examination, they are going to ask about
Yeah,
coding, decoding, because they have mentioned as like suppose name is fame, then what will be orange? Means you have to find the next letter by using previous one example. So just we are trying to implement so we can participate. So next time definitely I will put some more question so we can spend some more time. And I think in first section timer is good, 10 second was enough because Mrs. Neha just answered every question within 5 to 6 seconds. In second part, yes, uh, in 1 or 2 question, I think timer is less, but I think that is okay. At least we can force our mind, we can think beyond the boundaries, and because I think they are very great personality who used to say we use only point 0% of our mind. We are not using even 1% of our mind. So just trying to let's see. And also I'm requesting to everyone, please join tomorrow session because Mrs. Neha is going to take a very good session about speaking English. And here many people are asking how you can speak English and how you can learn. So that's why it is my request to everyone, especially Monsin Bhai, Devi Bhai, Amit Bhai, and Manisha. Please join tomorrow session, and definitely we are going to get some no good information from Mrs. Neha. And next week, also I have found some person as like Devi Bhai is going to take some session, and maybe I am making request to 2 or 3% more, so then we can discuss more. So Devi Bhai, what is your view on which topic you want to take session?
Yeah, hi Pradeep bhai, and first of all, that today's session, it was mind blowing. And timer is coming on that PPT, right? So I can't even explain how you made that. So it is
Actually, I
just,
have just researched. I have uploaded video
yeah,
on my YouTube channel already earlier. I think
okay,
1 year before. How you can make
yeah,
some decreasing ring, decreasing rectangle. But yesterday, just I was
okay,
thinking, why I cannot show number counter, because this is
okay,
catching. Because when you see on
okay,
the slide, your number is just decreasing. So yesterday I have
okay,
uploaded a video on my YouTube channel also, how you can make animated number counter, so you can see everything in my
yeah,
YouTube channel.
correct,
You know, Whenever someone is asked question to me and just I find answer, try to make a video. Today someone is asked me ki how you can find MAC address of your system. Then I make a video. Yes, you can find this way. This is very easy process. Only you have
yeah,
to type one line command. You can find your physical address of your system. So whenever I got some question, I try to make video and try to research. So that's why I implemented number counter. So my question is that
yeah,
Devi bhai, actually,
yes,
just I want to take a session from your side on any
yes,
topic.
definitely. Even I'm also keen to take any worthy session to this group. Give me 1 day or 2 days, so I will
Yeah,
think so
definitely.
which
You
can be
have
helpful.
you have a 3 to 4 days because Tuesday
Yeah,
and Wednesday is fixed for grammar because Subhangi is
yeah,
going to take past tense and future tense, and after
yeah,
that we are planning some. I am searching some people actually. I have planned to take a session by someone on the phonetics and pronunciation, but I am
okay,
still waiting for her note. If she is agree, then we can conduct. Otherwise, you are planning something new. And also I am getting some ideas from other guys what we can do on next Saturday, means as like fun activity we can implement something else. So let's see, I am searching something new,
yeah, yeah.
so maybe you
Correct.
can.
Instead of
If you,
serious topic, we can go for some fun activity.
yes, means that
Okay,
fun
also
activity should be related to our English. So just
English. Yeah,
yes,
yeah,
today you can find some word because today I have learned a
yeah,
new word, and just I am going to search as like Mrs. Neha mentioned as bid. Bid means moti, and one word mage,
yeah.
and
Telecommunication. Yeah, Morse,
Manisha is tale of Morse,
Morse. Yeah,
Morse. Actually,
yes.
just I want to search actually what is the meaning of this because she has mentioned this is related to coding. So let's see. Maybe
Telecommunication. Yeah,
yes, a telecommunication, something like that.
communication.
So we can find some new words also, and also we are at
And
least
one
we are
more.
trying to
Yeah, the
find some.
Bhopal.
Yes,
The
Popal.
person from Bhopal also can take a beautiful session.
Yes, Mr. Amit Raj. Yes.
Yeah,
Actually, he is of he is very much attracted towards you because today he has mentioned you are looking like Prabhas, and some day ago he was mentioning that you are looking like Rocky Bhai. So
I think Pradeep bhai,
yes,
uh, I think the Amit bhai and the Devi Charan bhai, the the speaking sound is just like very, you can say very much same related to 99% of core competency rate. And we know that upcoming 3 of movie of Prabhas that are Devi Charan Bhai have go for the shooting, and this is only for the chair. That's why I'm speaking. By the way, it's only not an issue.
Okay, okay.
Okay, we are considered you. Your
Yes,
point.
yes, definitely for the role of villain or brother of heroine or something like that, So because here Neha, Manisha, Kamtal are also person, so we cannot discuss some other role. So
Yeah.
okay, so I think this is time to end the
And
meeting. Now you can yes, Devi
yeah.
bhai.
And Moshin boy also after a long time.
Actually,
So Moshin boy
Mohsin,
also joined.
actually nowadays Mohsin was not taking interest. I don't know why, because he has improved. He is speaking very good because today before I have listened and he is speaking fantastic. But I don't know why he is not ready to share some audio in this group. Maybe he is busy. He is something, as like Amit Bhai is nowadays thinking something different. So that's why that is not issue. Okay, so guys,
Okay, yeah.
thank you for joining this meeting. Thank you, Neha, Kavita, Manisha, Monsin Bhai, Vikas, Amit Bhai. You were late, but that is okay. So thank you. We are going to end up this meeting and hope from tomorrow there is a session which is taken by Mrs. Neha. So please join that session and time will be same at 15. And again from Monday to Friday we will speak on various topics. So thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, bro.
Bye.
And
Thank
thank
you,
you,
Pradeep
guys.
bhai.
Thank you, Kavita.
Bye
Thank
bye.
you.